If you're preparing for the CISSP exam, you've probably already realized this is not a test you want to wing. The CISSP is broad, deep, and designed to challenge even experienced cybersecurity professionals. The good news? You don't have to prepare alone, and you don't have to juggle tools from 5 different providers. Today, we're going to break down how Boson can support your CISSP journey with a complete, flexible exam prep ecosystem, and how bundling these resources together can save you time and money. Let's start with one of Boson's most popular tools, ExSim-Max for CISSP. These aren't just practice questions. They're exam quality simulations designed to reflect the real CISSP exam experience. Each question includes detailed explanations for why the correct answer is right, clear breakdowns of why the incorrect options are wrong, and references back to CISSP domains and concepts. Your score report includes a category breakdown, which allows you to easily pinpoint specific category topics where you may need extra preparation. This helps you identify weak areas, reinforce strong ones, and build exam day confidence you need to succeed. Best of all, ExSim-Max is backed by our no pass, no pay guarantee. If you don't pass your exam on the first attempt, we'll issue a full refund of the purchase price. Next up is Courseware for CISSP. This is structured, comprehensive content that walks you through all 8 CISSP domains, helping you understand key concepts and why they matter from a security leadership perspective. Courseware is ideal if you're new to CISSP concepts, you want a structured study plan, or you need to reinforce fundamental knowledge before diving into practice exams. It's designed to pair perfectly with ExSim-Max so you can study, test, and review in a continuous loop. For learners who want hands-on experience, we also offer practice labs for CISSP. While CISSP is a management-focused certification, understanding how security concepts work in real environments is still critical. These labs will help you apply security concepts in a controlled environment, reinforce topics like access control, networking, and risk management, and bridge the gap between theory and real-world application. If you learn best by doing, labs can be a powerful addition to your study plan. If you prefer guided instruction, Boson's Instructor-Led Training brings everything together. These sessions are led by experienced instructors who know the CISSP material inside and out. You'll get live explanations of complex topics, real-world examples and exam strategies, and the ability to ask questions and stay accountable. Instructor-led training is a great option if you want structure, motivation, and expert insight throughout your prep journey. Here's where it gets even better. Boson allows you to bundle CISSP prep products together, combining tools like ExSim-Max, Courseware, and practice labs. Bundling gives you a more complete exam prep experience and comes with additional savings compared to purchasing each product individually. It's a smart way to customize your study plan while staying on budget. No matter where you are in your CISSP journey, whether you're just getting started or finalizing exam prep, Boson has the tools designed to help you succeed. Visit boson.com to explore CISSP products, build a bundle that fits your learning style, and takes the next confident step towards CISSP certification. Thanks for watching and good luck in your exam prep.